The following is a message from the Canadian National Public Alerting System.
Your attention, please. This is the Emergency Public Warning System. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
That was a message from the Canadian National Public Alerting System.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates. Do not use your telephone for the duration of this emergency.
Now, back to our regular programming.